everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nettie here. I decided to do a video because I have a couple of items, as you can see from the intro, that I have a couple of unboxings to do, and they're both from none other than Dior. So, a little story. I went to Washington and I had a great time. I met up with a couple of fellow Instagrammers and YouTubers, and I got a couple of things, and they've been sitting around. I have not opened them. I haven't even put them on Instagram yet, so you guys are going to be the first to know about this. But anyways, I picked this item up, which is in the larger bag, in Washington, and then the item that I was looking for, they didn't have it in stock, but they ordered it for me from another store, and that's in this smaller bag. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and find out first what's in the bigger one. So let me take it out of this bag, and so it's comes in a box like so. So it looks very beautiful. So let's get into the unboxing. I love Dior ribbon. So here's the box, and let me put this camera down just a bit. And the beautiful Dior stamp. And what I did is I got a beautiful scarf, a Dior scarf. And I've been looking for a nice silk scarf to wear with both this camel sweater and my other just black cashmere sweater. And I wanted like all of those colors mixed into it. And this one just fit the bill perfect. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful scarf. I'll try and get a full picture of it for you, but here it is. It has a giraffe on it and a few other animals, but it is just beautiful, a stunning silk scarf. And it's just got a little bit of blue in it, and it had the green, it has the birds, it has I think a bear in it. It is gorgeous, and so I just thought that it would look so great wearing it like in a triangle or something like that, with like this camel sweater. And I also, because I just thought I would just, you know, tie it around my neck like so, just to give this outfit just a little bit more color. And then I bought a new coat, and it's from J. Crew, and it's their Italian rolled wool, and it's a kind of a green, I guess a khaki green color. I don't know if it's coming up, but I just thought that with the green coat and the camel, that it would just look really nice, and the scarf has a little bit of the green in it. I thought it would just look really nice, so that's why I bought it. And it'll also go really well with black, just plain black, and it'll give it a splash of color. So I just love it. I'm just looking really forward to wearing it. I think this is something that when I'm an old lady too, that I will enjoy this scarf for forever. It's just a forever scarf. So that was the one purchase. And the next item I will share with you is in a smaller box. And here it is. I was hoping to get the Christmas packaging, but no, they didn't give me the Christmas packaging. So I was a little disappointed. But oh, you know, first world problems, right, guys? So, anyways, here we go. Let's undo this, and it's the regular box with the little stamp. the Dior stamp. Try to not break it. And it comes in this little pouch. So here we go. I think you guys all are going to know what this is. It was really, hard to get. They had to order it all the way from California. So I got the little Dior saddle coin purse. And I just love it. And I got this mainly because I wanted it to go with my Dior Attic bag. I thought, it would be the perfect little pairing. And so I have a little something from the saddle line. And it's just a beautiful piece. I just loved it. And I'll just open it up for you. It has one snap closure. And there it is. And you open it up. It has, let's see, it has the one flap here. It has one slip pocket here and another further down. So, for 2 credit cards in there. And then quite a large space because it does open up quite wide if you look at the angle of it. And the bottom, it does spread open. So you'll be able to put enough cash in there and credit cards. And this one says Christian Dior, Paris. And then in the back, it has just a little slip pocket. But it's just the material. It's that, I think they call it the jacquard woven, I guess, pattern. And it's just gorgeous. So that's the other item I got that I ordered when I was in Washington. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed my unboxings. I know it's been a long time since I've done anything here on YouTube, but I thought I would come on and unbox these 2 little items. Also, I am going to do another video, maybe later on today. I have a few items that I want to put up for sale. I put them up on my Instagram. 3 items I put up on Instagram were my Dior earrings and the Gucci Blooms little card case, and also a Fendi handbag strap. So those are the 3 items right now that are up for sale on my Instagram. So if you are interested, you can go over there. But if not, I have a couple of bags that I also want to put up on the auctioning block. So I'll do a video on those as well. Anyways, guys, have a great day and we'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.